Hey guys, it's Brett with Broussard Homestead, and just wanted to make a quick video today on how to how we propagate cuttings of our different food crops. Today I want to talk about tomatoes. These are our tomato plants in our kitchen garden that have way outgrown the cages. I don't know if you can see the little cage in there, but the plant's at least twice the height of the cage, and this is how we do our little propagation, our cuttings on the tomatoes. If you look right here on this branch, you can see the main stem here, and then this is a side shoot, and then right here in the crook is what we call a sucker, and we can take that sucker and propagate it into a new plant, and I'll show you how. I'm going to use my thumb, but you can use scissors or knife or whatever. Just pinch that off, and now you've got a new cutting. Let's see if I can make this better visible. There you go. This will grow into a new tomato plant, and I will show you how. Here we have our propagation station, is what we like to call it. It's all it is a cheap waterproof tote that we got from the dollar store, and we filled it with some sand that we got from some leftover sandbags. We just filtered the sand, filtered out some of the bigger chunks, the larger rocks, and you can see we've already started some cuttings in here. I'm going to take our little tomato sucker that I just made, that I just broke, and this is some rooting hormone. I'm just going to take the end of that, put a little powder on it, shake off the excess, and we come back over here to the propagation station and we just plug it in. Just put it right in the sand there. Make sure the sand is tucked up against the cutting. No air pockets. I'll pull one of these older ones because it should have roots. It's been in here for about 2 weeks. I'm seeing right along with you guys, so oh yeah, we got a little bit of roots there. I don't know if you can see that right on that edge. This is just about ready. We're going to put it in some soil and get it started, so we'll show you that. Here we have our cup all prepared with some potting medium. I've drilled some holes in the bottom of it for drainage, and what we use for a potting medium is some cheap cow manure compost, and that's right here. This is a bag that we've got for about $2 for a cubic foot, and we got that from a big box store. So we're going to take our cutting. It's still got a little sand on it. This is the one with the roots. See that? So we're going to just make a hole right in the middle. And tomatoes like to be pretty deep because as much of the tomato plant that's touching the soil, all of that is going to put out roots. So we're going to put that down inside, and I'm doing this one-handed because I'm filming. Again, we're just going to push the medium, push out the air bubbles. Like that, and we've got just a little water bottle here with a hole that we stab through the cap, and we're just gonna a little drink, and that's it. We've got a little tomato plant started. We're in the middle of summer here. It's very hot here in South Louisiana. Tomatoes are doing pretty good. They're just not setting fruit like they were, and all we're going to do is a popsicle stick so that we remember what it is, and on the back side we've got the date for when we transplanted. So I hope this helps, and if you learned something, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can always subscribe, and we appreciate it. See you guys later.